In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Apple Pay in Stripe. Let's jump straight into it. First, head over to the Stripe website. I'm assuming you're already logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is your central hub for managing payments and account activity. From the dashboard, we need to open the Settings area. Look toward the lower left side of the dashboard sidebar and click on Settings. This will take you into the configuration panel for your Stripe account. Now we need to open the Payment settings. Scroll through the Settings page until you find the Product Settings section. Inside that section, click on Payments. This is where Stripe lets you control which payment methods are offered to your customers. Once the Payment Settings page loads, look near the top for the Payment Methods tab. If it isn't already selected, go ahead and click it so the payment method options come into view. Next, we need to open the default payment method configuration. In the Payment Method Configurations table, find the row labeled Default Configuration for your platform account and click on it. Give the page a moment to load the full payment method list, since it can take a second or two to populate. Now let's enable or confirm Apple Pay. Look down the payment method list for Apple Pay, scrolling down the table if you need to. If you don't see Apple Pay listed at all, click on Disabled in the Payment Method status filter near the top, and then look for Apple Pay again. This will reveal any payment methods that are currently turned off. If the Apple Pay row says Disabled, click the Enable button on that row to switch it on. If the Apple Pay row already says Enabled, just leave it as it is, since there's nothing more to do. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Finally, confirm that the Apple Pay row now shows Enabled along with Wallet and all regions. That tells you the configuration is correctly set up. Apple Pay is now enabled in your Stripe payment method configuration. The Apple Pay row should display Enabled, which means Stripe can now offer Apple Pay whenever your customer's device, browser, country, currency, and checkout integration are eligible to support it. Congratulations, you've successfully enabled Apple Pay in your Stripe account, and you're all set to start accepting Apple Pay payments from your customers.